This is Rachel. I'm just going to try and show you how to cook flapjacks today, so hopefully it will all work well. I won't burn my kitchen down or cause some other catastrophe. Alright, I'm not a natural baker, so bear with me. Okay? The next thing to do is to melt the butter over a very low heat. Okay, like this. And then you can take some of the butter and put it in the baking tray that you're going to use. This is my baking tray, just show you here. Okay, so it's a medium-sized one. I've lined it with greaseproof paper. You don't have to. If it's non-stick, you can just put the butter around or on the bottom of the edges if you want to do that. Okay, so let me find my implement. Get some butter. Okay, like so. I'll do that all the way around. Okay. So do all that all till it's finished. Then I've got 175 grams of dark brown sugar. You could use light brown sugar or caster sugar, would be okay. And I'm going to add that to the melted butter. Okay, there it is. Then I need to do the same again. I just need to weigh the golden syrup, which is a bit messier. Next thing to do is put the oven on to gas mark 2. Okay, and then you're going to add the oats, 350 grams of oats, lovely, into the pot with all the melted sugar and syrup and butter in. Okay. Next thing to do is transfer everything from the pan onto a tray and just spread it evenly with a spoon. Okay. And then this goes in the oven. Meant to be for 40 minutes, but I would check it after about 30. Alright, don't get too carried away doing other things. Otherwise you might have some burnt flapjack on your hands. And nobody wants that. Plus it gives you time to do your washing up. Don't leave all for mum and dad. And here you have the final product. Okay, so it's out of the oven. I'm letting it cool down because it'll be really hot. Had to take it out of the oven with my special oven gloves here. Okay, so I didn't burn myself. And then get a spatula or just some kind of knife, not a sharp one, just a normal one that you use to eat your dinner. You're just going to make rows. Bit wonky, oh dear. Right there, it's a bit thinner. Like that. You can go across if you want. Things to do with your flapjack if you don't want to eat it all like this. You could have a piece of it with some yoghurt maybe as a dessert, or some stewed fruit with some stewed apples or rhubarb, and you've got a bit of crunch over the top. Could have that with some custard maybe, or ice cream. Might be quite nice. There you go. So just let it cool. That for about 10-15 minutes. Okay. And then you can do what you want with it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye bye.